Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this really cool gameplay mat. Now, I actually got a customizable one, so I put a picture of a dog on here, and it is absolutely perfect. I mean, the quality of the picture is spot on. I mean, it looks exactly like the one I sent. And it does have a little carrying case so you can take it with you, because this just rolls right up so you can store it easy. And as I have it on the back, you actually see it's got a rubber backing on it. So, I mean, I can push around on this and it is going nowhere. The feel of it is fantastic. So if you're using it, whether you're using it for cards, I mean, the cards, whoop, as you see, they just actually just slide all around. Really nice for any sort of use like that. It's not going to get caught on anything like that. Or if you're using it for dice, it'll help with that sound. This is a nice little mat that you can set out for playmat. If you're using cards, dice, you can even use it like on a table, just as a cute little centerpiece, keyboard holder, all sorts of things. It's nice, waterproof, so if you spill on it, just simply wipe it up, get ready to go. It's a nice mat to take with you for any sort of gameplay.